What up, fam? Chichi here. Welcome back. Your girl is feeling real exclusive right now because I have a Brandon Blackwood unboxing from the upcoming Fall 2022 collection. I have no idea what bag I got, but I'm going to tell you how it all went down. But first, if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on the social medias. So let me tell you how it all went down. I was getting the mailing information from my giveaway winner. Hey, Coco. I was getting all of her information and we were just talking back and forth. And she was like, why don't you just sign my box? And I was like, okay. She was like, yeah, I have my little display and stuff like that. I took a picture and I posted it on my Instagram stories. And of course I tagged the brand. Then I started thinking like, let me put this into the atmosphere and the existence of a Brandon Blackwood x Lavishly Chichi collaboration. Like, listen, if we're gonna go for it, we might as well go for it, right? I tagged the brand and Brandon hit me up and he was just like, what's your address? Literally just like that. It was like, hey, what's your address? And I'm like, what's going on here? So today when I'm filming, he's nominated for the CFDA awards for the accessories of the year. He is against Telfar and Brothers Veles. Two really solid brands, but Brandon gonna take home that W. I don't even care. But he said that he was gonna send me something from the upcoming collection, and y'all know Brandon is a man of his word. We chatted for a little bit, and he knows that I don't like TB. I'm not a tiny bag energy kind of girl. I'm just not her. But I did tell him literally that like miniature bamboo tote that he like kind of redesigned. I was like, listen, that one, a little chokehold on me. Like, I ain't even gonna front. I love the look of it. Prior to getting this bag, I definitely asked if I could share it with you guys. And he said, abso-freaking-lutely. So I don't know if this is gonna be for everybody, but hold on. Okay. You hear it? You hear it? Do we have a shopping bag? Please tell me this comes with everyone's stuff. Please. A shopping bag. I'm dying. Ooh, Brandon. Now, from jump, I have been on Brandon about presentation and packaging. Hold on, I got a box right here. Normally, the box is plain white matte. This one is shiny. Hopefully you can see it. Of course, my lights are gonna be drowning this out. This is how it looks. We're gonna give you the whole thing. All right, y'all know the styrofoam insert is in there. He said that he knows exactly which bag he should get me. And I need a moment. Sorry, I can't worry about y'all right now. Ooh, okay. Get the fuck on. I can't. Okay, so this is the Nia bag. Do you see the B? Big energy. Big B energy. Just gotta, okay. So she kind of flops a little bit, which I'm here for, but it is a nice, strong magnet. Yes, Brandon. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is a shoulder bag, which, it's plus size friendly. Yes, we're here for it. Okay, all right. There's nothing pocket wise on the back. Okay. I'm getting mad hyped, as you can see. There's some tassel details Okay, we got glazing. We got glazing. Yes, that's looking all extra finished. No detailing on the hardware where it says like Brandon Blackwood. The details are all in the front. Okay, so inside, oh, this comes with a longer strap. Oh, girl. Okay. So normally we do have the tag, but now the tag is wrapped in plastic. Brandon, I didn't even think of that. So kudos to you. All right. So Brandon's name is in gold foil, Brandon Blackwood, New York. And inside we have a lovely long slip pocket. And there is another stamp with Brandon Blackwood inside, and it's fully leather lined. See what you did here. See what you did here, Brandon. Phone check. I'm here for it. This is very, very smooth leather. Okay, let's take a look at this leather strap. She is adjustable. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is there 8? Is there 8? Okay, it's only 7. I love when the belt has this extra little something because that thing be flapping. It's not good. This has glazing on it. Okay, I'm seeing all the details. Okay, Mama, she gonna look. Good stitching. Just eyeballing it, it looks like it may be a little short. Okay, but we gonna thug it out. We gonna see. Sis just came off of work just to unbox this, so no judgment. I got on basketball shorts, okay? I ain't got a fit on, all right? But real quick, for the plus size girls, you see that hip action? Yeah. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy that it does fit crossbody. Real quick, on the shoulder, shablam. Look at that. Okay. I don't know how much this is retailing for. That's the one thing I don't have. I don't have a receipt because obviously I didn't buy it. Y'all have been with me through this entire Brandon Blackwood journey. And I've been talking to y'all about the evolution of his brand. To see where he has come from to get to this, I'm happy. I am very happy. Brandon, you picked a fabulous choice for me. This was also in my head because I saw the pictures. This just got me hyped for this fall launch because I didn't even like really get up close to y'all. Let me get up close. Here it is. You can see the Blackwood right on the side. Don't mind my nails. I have to get them done. You can honestly carry this as a clutch. Here's a quick look at the side. You do have this long tassel. It's a little long, but we gonna thug it out. You see the glazing? Here's the back of the bag. It's fully leather lined. Like that's just killing me right now. So you have the slip pocket right here. Big compartment right there. No feet at the bottom. Gotta put the hat on. Because this is smooth leather, I do foresee this getting scuffed up or scratched up. So I'll let you know how I'm loving all of the features. Just in case y'all think I'm doing extra because I got a free bag, y'all already know. I keep it 100 with y'all. I've gotten Brandon's ass about a lot of things, and listen, he's been listening. That's exactly what he's been doing. He's been listening and shutting me up. He's been shutting me up. Yo, I cannot wait until the entire fall collection drops because this as a preview, oh, it's gonna be fire. It is going to be fire. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I'm gonna do my Brandon Blackwood breakdown video. So don't you worry, I'm gonna go over all the new pieces. And as a matter of fact, by the time you see this, the Kendrick trunks with the crystals on it, they'll already be out. He has some new eyewear as well. I'm not gonna do a video on that, but I do wanna mention it because, you know, some of y'all might not know, but he has a leopard print crystal Kendrick trunk. You're lucky you made that in the mini because, ooh, child, I'm trying to hold out for this. I'm trying to hold out for the fall collection. But if you want to know anything about the Kendrick trunks or want to see my Brandon Blackwood collection, I'm going to link some videos on the side for you. Thank you so much, Brandon, for gifting this to me. And I will catch you in the next video.